first of all, for this video, check, may have talked about it already, but how the RPMs are digitally or electronically both changing as the car is warming up. Just love that. So I will put that in accelerate. Guys, you've seen it went to the lower side of the yellow line is 5500 RPMs. So car is pretty much warm, 162 degrees. It is generally in the lower to mid 170s. Okay guys, today we will talk about the PDR, where to put your card, how it is functioning. Never tried it before, so we'll see how it goes and see what it's recording and go from there. Hope you enjoy the video. So first of all, if you go on your infotainment screen, 8-inch screen, which is pretty nice, scroll on the right side, you have the PDR. Try to start it. You cannot start recording. There is no SD card available, and so when is inserted. So let's see how we do that. Open the glove box, take a micro SD card or an SD card or a micro SD card with an adapter, and right there, I'm sorry, right there is where you will insert that. Here we go. Nothing is coming on the screen, so what we'll do is we'll park the car, we'll shut it off, go back to the main menu. Maybe I didn't need to shut it off. No, maybe I did. I do. Just restart the car. Okay, just redid it. Actually, you want to insert the card, your SD card, when the car is off. You won't accept it when it's on, even if you reboot it or stop it and restart it. And that's the whole point of the video, is knowing what to do and how to use your PDR, your performance data recorder. Okay, so now we will give it a try. Start the car is warm. You can go, and I will click on start recording, and then I will share the video of what's happening on it. So now we need to find out how to configure the PDR. So that's going to be the next part of the video. You'll notice if I go on drive. Okay, I just stopped the recording, and now we'll go on recordings. It says we have 2 of them. Also, one thing I wanted to point out, I did put 128 gigs micro SD card. SD card information use 0.3 gigs. gosh, I've seen that on a different screen, but it says like over 1,000 minutes right here. Over 1,000 minutes left. So it's plenty enough. You can put a 16 gig or 32 gig, plenty enough to record quite a bit of information. So now talking is about the settings. If you go on video overlay, display no vehicles or performance metrics on top of the recorded video. Put that one, display performance vehicle and travel data. Okay, so we're in sports mode. Let's see how it does and start the recording. So of course you won't see much on that. I will stop the video and then show the recording of what we're seeing right here and see what it does. Just get few turns and some G's so we can see that on a recorded video. Woo! That was a good one. Okay, let's stop the recording now. I will need to park to be able to see that because it's gray. Park, and here we go, it becomes active. Here we go, you see the RPM, a little bit of G's, but not much because I'm going straight. You have the speeds right here. So we'll go to get a few G's, and then we'll try that into the other different modes. Here we go. See what it went like. Wow, that was almost 0.9 or maybe even above 0.9 Gs. Those were pretty sharp. Difficult to videotape and do that at the same time, but that car will follow the road wherever you turn it. So it's amazing, an amazing toy. Hope you guys enjoy and learn something, and we'll try the different modes later. See ya.